So I was first introduced to mHUB through the Pritzker-Traubert Foundation, and then shortly after came and did a tour of the new space.
I first got introduced to mHUB by my dear friend Meredith O'Connor, and she brought me over to mHUB right away, introduced me to what was going on here, and I knew that it was so exciting I needed to get involved.
I saw this mHUB facility, and just looking at the name, mHUB, hub connotes, the center of something. So I was like, I gotta check that out.
I distinctly remember walking around and being very moved by seeing founders and engineers and business folks huddling around a physical product to be answering some sort of a challenge.
It doesn't take long to get really comfortable with the vibe here. Once I made my first foray into here, Haven took me around and I was kind of hooked. Just such a cool energy around here. It's like something's happening here, so that was cool.
I've always loved mHUB's mission. So when we were talking once, I said, hey, if the offer still stands, I am up for it and, can actually spend real time here and be very supportive. So the timing just worked out great now.
The ecosystem that is being developed here by mHUB for hardtech and physical environment manufacturing is critical.
There aren't a lot of places where if you want to create a physical product and have a company that has a real product where you can go make it and do it yourself.
Here you have the innovation and the vision all in the same sort of small team.
Hardtech is hard, right? It requires specialized equipment. It requires, again, this really complex ecosystem of suppliers and partners. And mHUB is really lowering those barriers.
We're in the middle of everything. We've got water, we've got electricity, we've got the researchers, the universities, the companies, and we're really sort of building out the ecosystem necessary for companies to feel like they're going to be able to grow their businesses here in Chicago.
It makes sense that we are seeing attention and reinvestment in answering the question of how do we build things and how do we build things here.
I think that that's part of the reason why I love this so much is I think that mHUB it allows people to sort of do well while they're doing good.